In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly app effectively in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make sure your writing is as polished as possible with this handy tool. First things first, you'll need to access Grammarly. Simply head over to Google and type Grammarly into the search bar. This will lead you to the official site. Once you're there, click on the Get Grammarly button. This is your gateway to signing up for Grammarly services if you haven't done so already. Now, if you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to sign up with your email, or if you already have an account, simply sign in by entering your email and clicking on continue. For those of you who prefer a quicker sign-in option, you can continue with your Google account as well. This is particularly useful if you prefer linking your existing accounts for easy access. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on the Grammarly homepage. Browse around a bit to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now let's get Grammarly installed on your desktop. Navigate over to the Apps section and click Install for Windows if you're on that operating system. This will guide you through the desktop installation process, allowing you to harness the power of Grammarly outside your web browser. But that's not all. To make sure Grammarly is always within reach on your web-based tasks, especially while surfing or writing on the fly, it's beneficial to add it as a Chrome extension. Simply continue back to Grammarly, find the option to install for Chrome, and then click on Add to Chrome. Follow it up by clicking Add Extension when prompted. To make it even more accessible, go ahead and pin the Grammarly extension right in your browser's toolbar. This ensures Grammarly is just one click away anytime you need it. With Grammarly all set up, let's put it to work. Open a Google Docs file or any document you're working on. You'll notice the Grammarly icon appearing somewhere on your screen. Click on it and voila, Grammarly begins to work its magic. It will start analysing your text and providing real-time suggestions to enhance your writing. Make sure to click on these suggestions as they pop up. Take the time to go through each suggestion, whether it's a spelling correction, grammar fix or style improvement, and apply them as you see fit. This hands-on interaction helps in learning different ways to polish your text. With this tool at your disposal, you can start improving your writing efficiently and effectively. The more you use it, the more proficient your writing will become. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find Grammarly as